Do you have trouble creating manual Shopify collections? Then stick around, because this video walks you through how to create manual collections step by step. If you haven't yet, check out the playlist linked above for videos about Shopify collections. A manual collection is beneficial because it gives you complete control over what products are included in the collection. Manual collections are especially useful if you have a small variety of products or if your product line doesn't change often. To begin, click Products in your Shopify admin. Then click Collections and click Create Collection. Before you start adding products to the collection, you need to set up some details about what this collection is first. Start by giving the collection a title. In this example, the collection is called Fitness Trackers. Next, add a description. Adding a description is optional and may not be visible to your customers depending on your theme's layout. It's best to create a description anyway for SEO, search engine optimization purposes, but more on this later. Next, click Manage beside Sales Channels. This area controls the visibility of the collection. To choose which sales channels you'd like the collection to be visible in, simply click the checkbox next to the title of the sales channel. For example, you may want a collection to be visible on your online store, but not on the Facebook channel. Next, click the calendar icon next to the sales channel title. You also have the option to choose what date you'd like to publish this collection. For instance, if you only want the Fitness Tracker collection to be available the first week of December, choose to publish this on December 1st at 12 p.m. or whatever time slot you prefer. Once a collection is published, it remains visible until you delete the collection or manually change its visibility. This means you will need to adjust the collection if you only want it to be available for a particular time frame. Otherwise, the collection will remain as is. Next, to have a specific image to represent this collection, click Add Image. Again, this is an optional feature that is not available on every theme. So if you don't add an image and the theme requires one, the system will use the first product image in the list. By default, the automated collection is chosen by the system, so be sure to change the collection type to manual. Next, an optional feature is to click Edit Website SEO to address how the public views the collection in search engine results. By default, the system will use the information from the title and description created at the top of the page, but feel free to edit as you see fit. Use keywords that describe your collection. If you wish to customize the URL handle, you can do so here as well. This is what customers see at the top of your online store when they click on the collection. Once satisfied, click Save Collection. The updated collection page now shows a section titled Products. Click the box titled Browse, and a pop-up window appears with your entire inventory. Scroll through to select items by clicking the checkbox. When you're ready, click Add. You can also type the product title in the bar to add an item. Next, sort products by selecting an option from the drop-down menu, such as Newest or Lowest Price. Alternatively, you can choose Manual to drag and drop products by clicking the group of dots to the left of the product image for what order you'd like them to appear. And that's it! Your manual collection is now complete. If you'd like to add this collection to a drop-down menu, be sure to check out the help articles linked below. For more videos on how to grow your business, subscribe to the Shopify Help Center YouTube channel now. If you still have questions, comment below or contact the Shopify support team directly. Thanks for watching.